Aircraft carriers have long been the crown jewels of naval power, but the next generation of carriers is set to change everything, from hypersonic defenses to AI-controlled drones. 1. Latest aircraft carrier developments. United States. The U.S. Navy is introducing the Gerald R. Ford-class aircraft carriers CVN-78 as its next-generation nuclear-powered carriers. The lead ship, USS Gerald R. Ford, was commissioned in 2017, and the second ship, John F. Kennedy, is expected to enter service around 2025. With a total of 10 ships planned to replace the aging Nimitz class, carriers have a similar displacement to the Nimitz class 100,000 tons, but incorporate electromagnetic aircraft launch system IMLS and advanced arresting gear AUG to improve aircraft operations. The class is powered by 2 reactors, generating 25% more power than the previous generation, and includes automation technologies that reduce crew size by hundreds. Defensive armament includes ESSM surface-to-air systems, and 3 Phalanx CIWS close-in weapon systems, with future integration potential for laser weapons. China. The Chinese Navy is rapidly expanding its aircraft carrier. Liaoning was a modified Soviet-era vessel commissioned in 2012, while the second, Shandong, was China's first domestically built carrier, entering service in 2019. The latest Type 003 carrier, Fujian, was launched in June 2022 and is expected to enter service by 2025. The 80,000-ton class Fujian is China's first carrier equipped with IMLS catapults, allow a variety of aircraft, including the next-generation J-35 stealth fighter and KJ-600 airborne early warning aircraft. Though conventionally powered, it features an integrated electric propulsion system, IEPS, to power its 3 IMLS and the H-optimized island structure houses, radar and sensors, while its defenses include 1,130 CIWS and HQ-10 short-range missile. China is reportedly developing its Type 004 nuclear-powered carrier, aiming for a fleet of 5 to 6 carriers by the 2030s. China's next-generation carrier, Fujian CV-18, featuring IMLS catapults and a displacement of approximately 80,000 tons. It is China's first domestically designed carrier. United Kingdom. The British Royal Navy revived its aircraft carrier capabilities with the Queen Elizabeth-class carriers 65,000 tons, HMS Queen Elizabeth 17, followed by HMS Prince of Wales in 2019. These carriers utilize an integrated full electric propulsion IEPS system, rather than nuclear power. A distinctive twin-island structure improves operational efficiency by separating navigation and flight deck control functions. They operate F-35B stealth fighters using a ski jump ramp stowbar system, with a maximum capacity of exploring the possibility of retrofitting IMLS catapults for drone operations, with the 2 carriers expected to serve as core of the Royal Navy over the next 50 years. France. France is developing the Pang Port Avions de Nouvelle Génération to replace the Charles de Gaulle 42,000-ton nuclear carrier by 2038. The Pang will be a 70,000-ton class nuclear-powered carrier, incorporating IMLS catapults to launch both Rafale M fighters and the next generation French-German NGF new generation fighter. Advanced combat management systems and drone integration are key design elements, enabling seamless operations between crewed and uncrewed aircraft. Construction is set to begin in 2025, with sea trials planned for 2036 to 2037 and full commissioning by 2038. South Korea. South Korea is developing light aircraft carrier, initially conceptualized as a 30,000-ton stowbar carrier with F-35B, vertical takeoff and landing VTOL aircraft, in 2022 designed to a 50,000-ton class carrier, with potential integration of a navalized KF-21N fighter. Budget and strategic debates have delayed the project, but the goal remains a 2030s commissioning. 2. Technological innovations in future aircraft carriers. Future aircraft carriers incorporate advanced weapons, propulsion systems, electronic warfare aircraft operations, automation, and artificial intelligence AI. Key innovations include enhanced aircraft operations. Next-gen carriers adopt IMLS catapults for smoother and more energy-efficient launches. This allows for stealth aircraft, UAVs, and high-weight aircraft to take off efficiently. Advanced defense systems. Modern carriers integrate ESSM missiles, RAM systems, CIWS guns, electronic warfare jammers, and Decoys for layered defense, hypersonic missiles and directed energy weapons. High energy, laser weapons and hypersonic missile countermeasures are being developed to counter new threats. Integrated electric propulsion IEPs non-nuclear carriers, Queen Elizabeth class and Type 003 Figen use IEPs for more efficient power distribution, stealth and EU capabilities. Next-gen carriers use reduced radar cross-section and enhanced electronic warfare suites to evade detection. Next general carrier aircraft stealth fighters like the F-35C and China's J-35, along with unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs, are being integrated into future operations. Autonomous operations and AI. AI is being incorporated into combat decision-making, predictive maintenance, and automation.